There is the before. And there is the after. Today we remove an object using AL with little bit Photoshop. I already open a file in Photoshop. By using lasso tool, make the selection of object with you want to remove. First we make a random selection around the object which we want to disable in the picture. Let's make a quick select. I wanted to remove the X behind their boyfriend without disturbing background. We can be done by using Photoshop. But it takes much time. Today we use AI software after edit picture in Photoshop. The AI software is Dall E 2. It was an amazing software. Dall E and Dall E 2 are deep learning models developed by OpenAI to generate digital images from natural language descriptions, called prompts. Dall E was revealed by OpenAI in a blog post in January 2021, and uses a version of GPT-3 modified. Once we done the selection, press delete key to the keyboard. The selected object is deleted. Now press Ctrl D for deselection. Press C for crop the image. C is the shortcut key of crop tool. I wanted this image in 1:1 ratio. You can select any preset in their given options. Once it done, we export this image as quick PNG form. After the saved, we open the image in Dall E 2 for further edit. Now click crop. Click edit image. Click on the image for edit by AI. Now I type the command for generate and edit the image. After type the command, click and generate. Now AI is processing. You can see by just one click AI fill the removing area nicely. It shows 4 similar designs. I think the second one is perfect for me. Looks good. If you like this video and you have learned something new today, please like this video, subscribe to the channel and share the video with your friends.